Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are looking at the Ultra Hybrid T case from Spigen. This is one of the very first third-party cases that has a camera control cover button, and it's pretty impressive. A massive thank you to Spigen for sending this over for the purpose of review. Let's take a look. So here we have the Ultra Hybrid T case from Spigen. Now of course I'm going to have it linked in the description down below, however this case is pretty much sold out everywhere for one very special reason which we'll get onto a little bit later in the video. However, once it's back in stock and you guys can get your hands on it, it's going to come in at around $54.99. In true Spigen fashion, all you're going to have in the box here is going to be the case itself, no sort of additional accessories, no screen protectors, nothing at all, just the case here with these protective coverings on it, because it is going to be a super clear case. Now you can also get it in some other variants in some different colorways in terms of a slightly darker tint, but this one here is the pure white one, matching the white titanium of the 16 Pro that I've got. As you can see here, you've got completely clear but also covered buttons here for the volume up and down, and also the action button side of things, and a very small minimal piece of Spigen branding just in the bottom corner here. You've also then got your camera covering around the back side of things here, so if you want to place the phone backside down you shouldn't have any issues at all, along with the MagSafe ring and the alignment magnet. And then of course you have the covered power button just on the side here, and then the much talked about camera control button here, which again is going to be completely covered. And this is also one of the very first third-party cases that has a covered camera control button. Previously we've looked at the official Apple silicone case which has a covered button here, but this one is going to be the first one from a third-party company, and as you can see it basically offers that nice transparency to actually still get access to the button, all of the touch functionality, but while it is being completely covered. So again, we'll see exactly how we get on with that in just a moment to see what the overall fit is going to be like, but as you know here with the camera button it's going to be a capacitive button, so a lot of places have a cutout or some sort of dimple in there to get access to the actual button itself, but Spigen themselves, they've gone ahead and put a cover over it, and a lot of people are talking about that. And in true Spigen fashion, once you've actually got your phone in the case here, it is a perfect fit. I don't know what it is about Spigen and their fit, no matter which phone, which case, the fit is always on point, and with the Ultra Hybrid T here it is no exception. And it's also a pretty slim case as well. Now you've also got your covered buttons here like I mentioned beforehand, and we'll just go over the tactility side of things in a moment, but as you can see at the top here you do also have the air cushion technology. So what that basically means is on every single corner you've got a little bit extra in regards to the TPU of the case here, so if you're going to be dropping it the top side, the bottom side, any corner whatsoever, you've got a ton of extra protection, so it's a pretty protective case overall. Now I'm also a massive fan of the design here with the white titanium iPhone and the clear case. Now you've got your MagSafe magnets on the back here which are going to be those standard white magnets that you can't really get away from with a clear case, but you've got your standard circular magnet and then the downward alignment side of things, so hopefully pretty good MagSafe there. You've also got pretty good camera coverage here with the backside. It does stick out a fair amount, but not the most that I've seen on any case, but it still offers a ton of protection along with the air cushion technology on either of the corners like I mentioned previously. You've got a really nice cutout along the bottom here for the USB Type-C. I've used a ton of different USB-C cables with no issue at all, and then of course you've got your speaker cutouts. Now it does flex ever so slightly down the bottom here, but not really as much as I've seen on some other cases, and of course then you've got the covered control button here, and that doesn't flex at all because again it's going to be a completely covered section now. So whereas some other cases have a very thin bit of maybe TPU or plastic material that may break over time, this here now has a completely covered button, so there's no loose section here whatsoever, and it actually feels pretty secure overall in terms of the general overall fit of the device. Just unlocking the phone here, as I mentioned previously, you've got super tactile buttons here with the volume up and down, and also the action button side of things, no issues there whatsoever. It's got a super nice feeling pass through to it. Now I do currently have a screen protector installed on the iPhone 16 Pro here, as you may be able to tell from the top section here. However, you still do have a lay on the table design, so if you are going to be placing it face side down, no issues at all. Even with or without a screen protector, you should be completely good to go. But taking a little bit of focus now onto the camera control button, because like I mentioned, this is one of the first cases to have a covered button. It feels incredible. It's got a super nice tactile feel to it. It doesn't really feel spongy or anything like that, for example. It still feels very nice and secure, but you've still got access to everything that you need to, and the nice pass through here to the camera control button underneath. So in regards to the scrolling side of things, the light double press, the hard press to take a photo, you've got all of the control that you need here while still having all of the protection on here. I've been finding with a lot of cases recently they've got either a cutout or just a bit here that feels a little bit weak on the actual case itself, whereas here you've got all of the control that you need. Now it does still feel a little bit finicky to me, but I think that's just more down to the camera control side of things itself and not the button. I'm going to be doing a full video review on the camera control side of things to see see if it's worth it. So again, make sure you are subscribed to get my take on that particular side of the iPhone 16 Pro. But in general, I just wish that more case manufacturers were thinking about the camera control button. And also Spigen in general, this is the first case that they've got with the button that is going to be completely covered. A lot of their other cases still have cutouts, so hopefully that changes moving forward. With regards to the MagSafe side of things here, I've got my Andar MagSafe wallet, and it goes on the back, no issues at all. Obviously with any sort of TPU or clear case, you do get a little bit of tackiness with the actual case itself, so in regards to any MagSafe accessories on the back here, they stick like glue. Whether it's a wallet, a car charger, a nightstand, a MagSafe wireless charger, whatever it may be, you've got no issues here at all. These accessories or anything that you place on the back of the device are not going anywhere. Now going back to the transparency and the clearness of the actual case itself, if you've got the new Desert Titanium color on the iPhone 16 Pro, that's going to shine through here and look extremely nice also with these side rails, because again it is a completely transparently clear case. Now the thing that I like about it has a nice sort of retro look to it, because as you can see here with the buttons on either side, you can kind of see it if you're looking at it from front on. You can see the buttons and you can see where they go, along with down the bottom here the USB-C and speaker side of things. It's got a nice transparent overall look to it, kind of making it feel a little bit retro, if that makes sense. Now comes the question of the price side of things. So coming in at over $50 for a clear case, some people may not be a massive fan of that. However, with the overall protection, the fit, the camera control button, and the fact that the Spigen cases here have some of the most precise cutouts that I have seen in a very long time, I actually kind of think it's worth it. If you're looking to protect your phone while also showing it off, this is probably one of the best clear cases available currently for the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's just hope that it doesn't take too long to come back in stock on Spigen's website and also over on Amazon, because I think this is going to be one of the most popular cases this year. And that's going to do it guys for this video on the Ultra Hybrid T for the iPhone 16 Pro from Spigen. Of course, as always, let me know in the comment section down below what device you're currently using and also what case you're using, and if you've got any case recommendations for the iPhone 16 Pro moving forward, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, while you're down there, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Of course, once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime that I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. I think this is my new favourite case for the 16 Pro, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.